products. Do product time, lady.
All right, let's do it.
All right, first up. It's a robot arm.
It's the MeArm from Phenoptix. This is a little like pocket robot arm. It uses micro servos. It's a DIY kit. You get all the parts and screws and hex nuts and servos, and you have to put it together. It's kind of like a, it's an arm kit, but it's a little bit more for people who are comfortable with. You're gonna have to write some code for it. There is some example code, but it's not like it's take it out of the box and it's ready to go. You have to put it together. And it's a little bit delicate, but you can still do basic tasks and move around, and it's a good way to learn about reverse kinematics and stuff like that. And I don't know, it's really beautiful, and can probably do some basic functions. You see an animated GIF here of it just kind of moving and picking up something. There's a video also on the website of it picking up something and moving it over and dropping it.
Okay.
So this is your own little worker arm.
Next up.
This is headers for the BeagleBone Black. We have a couple of these packs in the store. If you want to make your own BeagleBone cape for BeagleBone Black, or actually even the original BeagleBone, these are 2x23 headers. I mean, it's just like easier than grabbing a bunch of 40-pin headers and breaking them apart. These are just like plug and play. That's it.
Okay.
Gold plated. They're nice.
All right, and then we got a bunch of Pibows.
Yes, we now have the B+ Pibows in. So I can actually even show some off, but that's the Ninja Pibow. We also have the Timber Pibow. These are for the B+. Oh, let me show this off. So this is the, I'm gonna do the auto lock.
No.
Focus. Do it. All right, nice work. Yeah, this is the for the B+. You see there's a lot of ports, Ethernet, USB. And then over here there's nothing because that's no longer, oh no, sorry, there's a, yeah, this is, oh, confused. Yeah, this is where the GPIO cable could come out if you wanted to. Those are slots for the camera and for the display. There's a little slot for the micro SD. And then over here, there's connectors for audio and video, HDMI, and USB. It's a lovely case from Pibow. It holds it very, very securely, and people really like the version for the Model B, so I think they will really like the version for the Model B+. We also have the classic Rainbow Pibow, which is also very much loved. Same basic design, but cut out of rainbow. That's where the original Pibow came from.
Okay.
And then we also have the Coupe. I don't know if we...
Okay. Well, it doesn't matter because I have photos of all of them. Yeah, I got photos of this.
We have parts. There's like the wooded one. There's the timber. There's the rainbow. The rainbow. All these images are of course way better than. And there's the coupe, which is like the lowrider version, so you can plug stuff on top.
Yeah. We got it all.
Return of the timber Pibow. Yeah, Pibow party.
Yeah. Okay. Next up, you put in a 6-pack of trinkets.
Yeah. Some people asked for a 6-pack of Pro Trinkets. Just like we have for the plain trinkets. The Pro Trinket pack, you get 3 3-volt and 3 5-volt. This is good if you're just like, hey, you want to build a bunch of projects and you think you might want 3 or 5-volt Pro Trinkets for them, which of course you will. And comes with a header for all of them, and it's basically like buy 5, get 1 free. Yeah, I don't know. I thought it would be fun to have a little 6-pack.
Okay. And next up, this is super cute. I like this a lot.
This is new from Evil Mad Scientist. They just came out with this. This is much like their 555 kit. They now have a DIY 741 kit, and it's beautiful. And who doesn't love the 741? Which is, I don't know if it was the first. It might have been the first internally compensated op amp. If not, it's definitely one of the first. It's very, very early.
Show it on the overhead.
Show on the overhead. So it's big, but it looks like an 8-dip. And it's got these handy little thumb screws. You put in all the transistors. There's that magical internal compensation capacitor. Nice work there. National, I think. Oh, I don't remember who did the SM41. A 33 picofarad capacitor lets you basically use it without having to worry about external compensation. So kind of you just run an open loop very nicely. Or I mean, it's still closed loop, but you don't have to worry so much about gain bandwidth issues. And it's called the XL741.
Yeah.
It's not that even that hard. It's only like 25 parts. Amazing. But this was.
I like that they got this metal bent for it, and the circuit board. It's a really nice circuit board.
Yeah, they have this matte black circuit board, and then the legs are all metal. They don't conduct. They're all connected together, so don't use this for connectivity. But instead of a foam, it's actually a bent aluminum or a bent base metal.
Okay.
Very nice. Discrete op amp.
Yeah. And then next up, what everyone's been waiting for. Not really. It's just a battery thing.
Yeah, this week was a short week, so we don't have. We have a lot of new stuff next week. I mean, like it's going to be like pick and place party.
Yeah. So what is this thing? It's a battery holder.
This is a very handy thing which you never knew you needed. If you want to take something on the road that has a DC power jack and has like internal regulator, something that needs like 5 to 9 volts. It's a little annoying because you have to get like a bunch of AA batteries, and it's like it's hard to get like a rechargeable system, especially if you want like a big, powerful battery. And people really like lithium-ion batteries, and so these are camcorder batteries for the. This is actually really seriously old. These are at least like the design 10 years old. They're still used for camcorders as Sony NP F750 or 770 or 550 or 570. This is a fairly easy to find camcorder battery. They're chunky, but they work very well. They're internally balanced, and you can get chargers for them. And it's 7.4-ish volts output. And then, you can basically use the charger that comes with these batteries. You can get the charger at Amazon or eBay or your local electronics shop, and then you snap it in. And then it's got a little DC power jack. I'll show it on the overhead as well. It's just a holder, but it's quite handy, and it's got also mounting holes, actually VESA mount holes. It's designed for monitors and stuff. But yeah, snap in the battery, and then you've got a plug. Basically, you want to have a rechargeable lithium-ion solution that can give you more than 5 volts DC, or you want to regulate down to 5 volts. This works quite well, and you can get batteries that are, this is the double thickness ones, but they have ones that are half the thickness, and there's also ones that are even thicker for like 10,000 milliamp hours, so like crazy amp hours.
Okay. And with that, Lady Ada, that was new products.
Yay.
Good work.